How to unlock Android phone when you forget password. So if you want to unlock the Android phone when you forget the password, then make sure to follow the steps. So one of the most effective ways to unlock your phone is by performing a factory reset. This method erases all the data on your device, including the password, so it's essential to have a backup of your important files. Here's how you can factory reset your phone to unlock it. So there are some steps. The first step is you need to power off your phone and make sure it's disconnected from any cables. And the second step is press and hold the specific combinations of buttons such as volume up and power button until you see the recovery mode screen. So the recovery mode screen might look like this. And once you get the recovery mode screen, you need to navigate through the recovery mode menu using the volume buttons and select the option to perform a factory reset. And you need to confirm your selection and wait for the reset process to complete. And once the reset is done, your phone will reboot and you can set it up as a new device. So that's how you can unlock your phone without using your password or if you forgot your password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.